Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Seneca County, southern Cayuga County, northwestern Cortland County, northern Tompkins County, until 2 p.m. At 1:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ledyard, or 14 miles southeast of Seneca Falls, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ithaca, Cortland, Cayuga Heights,